Beijing Jinwei Kangda Medical Instrument Limited was founded in 2001. We are a professional supplier of medical orthosis brace, support orthopedic casting tape, splint products which specialize in these products research and development. Sales at home and abroad. USA is our biggest market. We are orthopedic knee braces, lumbar braces, ankle braces, wrist braces, shoulder braces and casting tapes are well sold. Our associated factory has a unity and hard-working, innovative professional team, superior production and testing equipment. Our wholly owned factory has 20 production lines of orthosis brace, support and 24 production lines of casting tape and splint. As the high-tech enterprises, we have won a number of national and foreign patents. Our products all comply with domestic and international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in different markets throughout the world, with excellent quality and services to meet customer demand. Our products are exported to Europe, USA, Japan, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and over 100 countries and regions. We are one of the leading manufacturer base of casting tape and splint research exportation in Asia. Our products have CE, ISO 13485. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We offer end-to-end solutions to streamline your product journey from initial concept to final delivery. Our company based on the principle of honesty, high efficiency, pursuing super excellence and harmonious development. Sincerely welcome companies at home and abroad. Contact and cooperate with us to realize complementary advantages, win-win cooperation and harmonious development together.